That's all that's in the box.
That's the part number.
Okay.
And instructions.
Hopefully it's better than the bike rack instructions.
I know. And there's the 4 bolts.
That's all.
That's it.
That's all you got.
That's all you get.
Okay.
You don't get nothing any more than that.
And it's going to hold this on to the truck.
Yeah. See how it's got spikes on it?
Yeah.
Those spikes dig in, and that's what holds on.
Okay. If you say so. Now time to read instructions.
Yeah, let me tell you what the instruction says. It says lower the exhaust and hook it up. No, that's literally what it says. It says loosen up the exhaust, support it, and then put this in place.
Okay.
That's all it says.
You just resting?
I found the mounting hose.
The what?
The mounting hose.
Oh.
Just spitting it to see.
You just making sure it is the right one?
Yep, that's it. It's probably going to take 2 people. On the vapor canister, there's a plug right here where my finger is. Can you see that? Okay, so we're going to unplug that.
Okay.
And then inside here is just a bracket. I'm going to take my needle nose pliers, squeeze these 2 things together, it comes off. Okay, can you see that clip? That's the clip right here. I don't know how to turn it where you can see it. Can you see the tiller pieces that you...
Oh, that's sticking out?
Yeah, each side.
Okay, so you squeeze those together and
Yeah.
pull it out. I see.
And it just comes right out.
Oh.
And then just put it away wherever you can. Yeah. So then, we're going to take this rubber piece off, right here. And there's one on the other side in the same spot.
Okay.
Before doing that, we are going to strap the exhaust just so it doesn't fall.
You taking that rubber piece off?
Yep. Okay, that one's off. Here's this one. That's off. So then, yeah, I'm going to lower this down, and now the muffler will actually rest on the crossbeam. I'm just getting it out of my way so I have clearance. So the spiky parts go away from the head of the boat, because that's what digs into the metal. Okay. Why is this one like paper?
Dog pooped over here somewhere. Is it? Oh, there it is. I'm like, I know. Alright, there they are. Here, you want me to hold the...
It's the same.
Okay.
And tighten them up.
So there's the hitch. All done and installed.
What, it took about 10 minutes?
Yeah. It would have taken you 10 minutes to do it if I wasn't bothering you by recording. Yeah, that's it. It's all done. Wow, it's really sturdy. So now he's installing our bike rack.